What's up, chemical guys and girls? It's me, Jason, for the Chemical Guys Newbie edition. We got something different today for you because I'm not working on my own car. Henry's gonna drag me into a detailing routine made of nightmares. Goes on thick, real easy to spread. We're working on his truck. Let's get to it.
He doesn't know much about detailing. He doesn't know much about detailing. He's asking lots of questions about everything so we can learn all there is about detailing. He doesn't know much about detailing. He's a chemical guy's noob. He doesn't know much about detailing. He's a chemical guy's noob.
All right, guys, so here we are in front of Henry's truck. As you can see, there are tons of water spots.
You okay?
Tons of water spots.
Before anything, Jason, let me tell you how I got these water spots. Have you guys ever parked next to sprinklers, or have you?
Yes.
Have you ever encountered a tsunami?
I have not encountered a tsunami level, but
I encountered a tsunami here in California. I parked next to sprinklers, and unfortunately I had to leave out of town. Nobody was able to move my truck in that time span. At 5 a.m. every day, my sprinklers go on, and this is the results. And
sprinkler tsunami hits.
Sprinkler tsunami. So comment down below if you've ever encountered a sprinkler tsunami, because I have, and I feel bad for my truck. Because one, it looks bad because it's a dark colored truck and these water spots stand out like milk. It looks white and it deceives the look of the vehicle. And another thing, if I come very close, Jason, hear this.
Ooh, that doesn't sound good at all.
What does that sound like?
Sounds rough.
Sounds rough, exactly. So that's the calcium and alkaline that's penetrated my clear coat.
Calcium, good for your muscles, bad for your vehicle.
Exactly, calcium's for muscles, bad for your vehicle.
Or not muscles, but your bones, I guess.
Bones. Before anything, we're gonna start taping up everything, all right, Jay?
All right, now I think it's probably worth mentioning that we actually washed this car already. And I can still see the water spots. So my guess is when I try to use a quick detail spray, it's not gonna do much better than our wash, because we used the pressure washer, we foamed it, we used the chenille wash mitt.
We did everything, and
we did everything I learned in episode 2.
And they don't come off.
And they don't come off.
So this is great for anybody that has water spots and is short on time and does not have access to a machine, a torque polisher, or any polisher out there in the market. Using heavy duty water spot remover gel, it's a great one step. It's a citrus based gel that's going to diminish any alkaline calcium that might be sitting on the surface of the vehicle. In this occasion, I am not going to be touching the vehicle. I'm going to let the Chemical Guys Newbie do all the job. So I'll just be guiding him. Any car that has water spots, it can be removed using heavy duty water spot remover gel.
So first thing I would do is try to hit this with a quick detail spray. So I would just spray the microfiber towel and then wipe in one direction.
So what Jason's doing right here, he's going to remove any dirt, grime, debris, but keep this in mind, we already washed this truck with honeydew snow foam and the water spots did not come off. And I love how Jason does a flipping of the towel, rolls his towel as he's wiping. And we just want to show you guys that we're not rigging it or saying that these superficial water spots remove with a quick detail spray. So Jason just finished wiping it off.
It's not even coming off.
And it's not coming off. It still sounds raspy.
It sounds terrible.
So now we're gonna be moving on to heavy duty water spot remover gel. Heavy duty water spot remover gel is a citrus based gel that all you need to do, Jason, shake it up.
All right.
Applicator, spread it.
Spread it, whoa.
Spread it.
Whoa, Henry.
Spread it.
So shake it up.
Shake it up. Now you have the proper mixture.
Perfect. And am I applying a line to this, a drop?
Apply 2 lines.
2 lines?
Yeah.
Boom,
One.
and boom.
Perfect. So now
this is a trick I learned from Henry, by the way, is to grab the edge of the spout and push that down, and you wipe it off as you're closing it. Pro tip.
Exactly. So now you're gonna be blotching it out on the area you're working on. Perfect. Same exact thing as a wax. Once it's already blotched out, so you won't get a heavy spot in just one area, you're gonna work it in linear lines. And this is going to help spread out the heavy duty water spot remover gel on the paint, and it's going to help it remove it safely and easily as possible. So whenever you're working with heavy duty water spot remover gel, we always recommend being in a shaded area, never be in direct sunlight, because it could potentially cause a chemical reaction. It could dry up on you and it will not remove the water spots from the surface of your paint. So how Jason's going, he's going back over second pass, And I would like for him to go over one more pass, but going the opposite direction.
Opposite way.
Yeah. And this is going to help heavy duty water spot remover gel penetrate the water spots and lift them off from the surface of the vehicle. And did you know, Jason, it also works on wheels, it works on exhaust tips, it works on glass.
I did not know that.
So,
do you know why I don't know that?
Why?
Because I've never used this before.
Is it actually your very first time using it?
Yeah.
All right. So now we're going to let it sit on the paint from anywhere from 20 seconds to 30 seconds. I just want heavy duty water spot remover gel to penetrate it, the water spots, to help it lift off the surface.
So one question I have is, I see streak marks from where I was doing a crosshatch. Are we gonna wipe this off? Is that a bad thing? Is that just where I put the product?
Here's a good thing that you brought about streaks. How I like to see streaks whenever I'm applying heavy duty water spot remover gel is a helpful guide. You see streaks constantly around everything, right? But you see them that it's so fine next to each other. So that means you got an even spread throughout the whole entire vehicle. So now that 20 seconds to 30 seconds has passed, you have to neutralize it. So you want to remove it, everything off the surface.
Okay.
You do not want to leave it on there. And after you remove it, you can either apply a wax, a sealant, a glaze, or if it even needs to be polished, you can repolish it, then apply a ceramic. All right, so I'll get my synthetic quick detailer. I'll spray it on there. I'll grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe in one direction. And do you see that, Jason?
Looks pretty good.
Flip over to the clean side. Look at that. They're all gone in just one step.
Wow. And we washed this thing. We dried it with microfiber towels too, which you would think would also like get rid of the water spots. Those things were etched. You saw we put the quick detail spray on before the water spot remover gel, and it didn't do anything. So this is kind of amazing. Look at that.
Look at
before
that.
And after.
So heavy duty water spot remover gel, not only did it remove the calcium and alkaline that's building up on my paint, but it brought back the shine. And for anybody that has a ceramic coating on their vehicle, it is not going to harm it. Just apply it very thin, remove it how we did, and you're good to go. After this, you could add like another quick detail spray or wax to enhance your ceramic, or just apply a wax to give it a warmer shine.
Nice.
So simple as that.
So I guess I'll hit the rest of this.
Yeah.
Throw a little montage in on there.
No, Jason, you're not gonna just hit just that. You got the whole door.
Oh no!
You got everything.
All right, we're gonna hit this whole side of the truck that got tsunami sprayed with the
tsunami sprinklers coming near you.
And we'll throw a little montage on there. It was a cold, wet night by Henry's car. The tsunami sprinkler hit, and he just let it sit for hours. Little did he know, those water spots would etch right into the side panel of his troca. I decided it wasn't that big a deal, we should just wash it, so we did. We used a foam cannon and honeydew snow foam, and it didn't even make a dent. With all this hard water and penetration, I decided to squirt it with some synthetic quick detailer. Little did I know, this would be the most challenging water spots I've ever encountered. Henry showed me how to use heavy-duty water spot remover. It's a gel, goes on thick, real easy to spread. Put 2 lines on an applicator. Feel like the motion of the ocean. Just rub it back and forth, up and down. It was done doing its job. So I spritzed it down with some synthetic quick detailer spray. Used a microfiber towel to wipe off the excess. Buff it out. And next thing I knew, that baby was shining like a 1930s Cadillac. And I saw a light at the end of the tunnel. Reflection. Leave a comment down below on what kind of montage you want to see next. Is it another action sequence? Do you want to see a comedy? Get creative with it. Throw that down below and we'll do that for the next newbie video.
And guys, you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up for Jason, for me, and drop a comment down below on future videos you want to see, whether it's more Jason videos, newbie videos, trucking videos, Jason and Henry videos. And if you like any of these products, you can hop on our website, chemicalguys.com, or stop by your local detail garage.
That's right.
Thank you so much, newbie.
If you don't know where your local detail garage is, scroll all the way down to the bottom of chemicalguys.com and enter your zip code in the place where it says locations, and you will find the nearest one to you.
Exactly. Join the family today. Make sure to stop by, share your passion of shine, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. All right, Jason. Jason, you're gonna do my whole truck. I'm walking away.
It's time.
Good luck, Jason.
What do you guys want to see? Some tricks?